What's up, folks? Welcome back to another. Oh, wait up. There we go. Got the crumbs on my Chromebook. Oopsie. Get them off of there. What's up, folks? Today we are talking about a historic blizzard. Today, okay? We're going to talk about an historic blizzard, alright? We're going to start here. So, winter storm warnings are issued for Philadelphia, Trenton, Atlantic blizzard, okay? Hurricane force winds, okay? Blizzard conditions expected. Total snow accumulations of 8 to 15 inches of snow. This storm is going to be historic. It's going to be crazy. It's going to be nuts. And but where the most intense impacts are going to be is in Boston, Massachusetts. Okay? Blizzard warnings are up for Lawrence, Boston, Norwalk, Plymouth, New London. Winter storm warnings are up for Manchester, Concord, Ashburn, Fitchburg, Worcester. Snow totals up here could be near 5 to... There's some areas could see 17 to 22 inches. Upwards to 2 feet of snow. 2 to 4 inches per hour snowfall for these areas. Blizzard warnings are issued for this winter storm. Get ready. This storm is going to be bad. Really, 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 really bad. Okay? So there's that blizzard warning here. Here's that graphical hazard for you guys. Extreme for snowfall. Very extreme for snowfall. Also, extreme for wind excessive cold is going to also be extreme. The snow and sleet, but tomorrow is when it gets really extreme. So extreme snow and sleet will result in widespread prolonged travel disruptions, okay? That is insane, okay? Let's look at our snowfall amounts here. For parts of, there's that potential here for Boston to see 12 to 18. But there is a potential that parts of Boston could see 35 inches of snowfall, okay? That's insane, okay? This storm, there's some areas could see up to 40 inches of snow. This is just insane, bro. Look at this. Even in Greenfield, 11.4 inches of snow. Springfield, Massachusetts, 15.2. 15.9. If you're in Fitchburg, you could see about 25.2. But Boston, you're right there. But that an area in Plymouth, you're going to hit the jackpot. The jackpot on this storm system. But it's supposed to hit here. We're supposed to get 2 to 4 here in Fayette. We could see a little more. We're expecting snow today. So periods of snow here from 1 to 3. So these areas could see a whopping 36 inches of snow. Okay, that's insane, okay? Even up as far up here as London, almost. London, okay? This is insane, bro. Look at this. Blizzard warning, okay? Blizzard accumulations of 11 to 18 and isolated amounts of 22 inches of snowfall, okay? This storm is no joke. If you look at the weather models, okay, this storm for the East Coast is no joke at all, okay? This is where things are setting up to be bomb mode genesis. Look at this storm, okay? This storm is supposed to expect to be a frontogenesis. You have heavy snow, thunderstorms, thundersnow is expected here. Very major snowstorm, okay? We're going to check out the snowfall totals on this snowstorm, okay? This storm, I know it ain't hitting us, but it's big, okay? This is something we have to talk about, okay? This storm could drop a whopping... There's that potential that this storm could drop a whopping... 37, 46, 45, 29. Okay, this storm is going to drop over 40 inches of snowfall potential. So get ready for the biggest snowstorm of your life. This storm is no joke at all, people. This is historic. There's winter storm warnings all along the East Coast. There's a winter storm watch could become warning. 6 to 10 inches of snowfall, people. We could potentially see over a foot. Some areas isolated 3 feet or 4 feet of snowfall is possible. This storm is nothing to play around with. This storm, wind gust on this storm, okay? We're going to check out the vorticity, okay? The vorticity of this storm, okay? We're going back to right out Tuesday, okay? Tuesday, Wednesday, 26 time frame. Today is Friday, so it's one day. There's that vorticity, 50 vorticity, okay? This storm is negatively tilted storm, okay? This storm is going to be extreme. There's the potential for some couple snow squalls here, potential tonight here in Bay, but where the big storm is going to occur is right here in Boston. Almost 40-foot waves, okay? 40-foot waves, okay? We're going to check out if there's any wave heights, okay? There is not wave heights, but well, we're going to check out the wind, okay? The wind off of this storm is going to be extreme, okay? Look at this. Look at this. This storm is going to be extreme, all right? Look at these wind gusts off the East Coast, okay? Look, we're going to see wind gusts of the 56 miles per hour. Oh my God. There's some areas that could see 72 plus mile per hour wind gusts. Waves could be upwards to 40 feet in parts of Boston, okay? Storm surge is likely. There's that eye, okay? This is more like a tropical, it's called a tropical storm. It ain't no tropical storm, but it's a blockbuster blizzard, okay? These wind gusts are going to be up there, okay? There's that storm, it gets so strong, it just weakens out. Okay, this storm gets so strong. See, there's those wind gusts up here. Wind gusts could be seeing 967 low pressure system, okay? This is a strong system. Very strong system, okay? 971, but it gets so low that it gets down to 967 millibar low pressure. This storm is no joke, okay? This storm is likely to produce. Look at the waves, okay? This is what we're saying. The waves are going to be extreme, okay? Watch this, okay? This is the 26th of... That's Wednesday, all right? This storm is going to bring waves up to 11 feet, okay? This storm, off of parts of the coast, you can see that potential for waves heights, okay? The Canadian model. Let's check the wave heights on nose, okay? It doesn't show the wave heights, but we're going to check out the vorticity wind on this storm, okay? It's so strong, okay? This storm is so strong. Look at this. Right off the coast again, okay? All the models are showing to the EFAST. Look how strong this storm is, okay? This is cold. Look at that low pressure. Look how strong that is. Look at that. 963 millibar low pressure. Wow. Oh my God. I don't know what to say, man. That right there, boys, is just insane. Look at this. There's that cold air, okay? It's set up for this big winter storm this weekend. Watch this. Boom. Look at this. Look at this temperature. Look at this. There's that low pressure here. The radar, okay? This is what it's showing. You can see that heavy snowfall. Look. Watch this. There's that heavy snowfall. Here it goes. Look at this. Look at these heavy snowbands, okay? Look at that. That's just major impacts, okay? That's a CMC model, okay? That's a GFS. You can see how major that is. Look. Look at that. Thunderstorms could go into here, and thunder snow could hit here, okay? Okay, winter storm warnings all along the East Coast, okay? Even the parts of the mountains of West Virginia or in Virginia could see upwards to 6 to freaking 8 inches of snowfall. All right, even areas outside of this storm's path could see a good amount of snow. Like here, up in the mountains of Ohio, Pennsylvania, could see a good amount of snow as well. There's that potential for another 2 to 4 inches of snowfall. Okay, 2 to 4 inches of snowfall for parts of the ridges of Fayette County, okay? We could see a lot of snow as well from this storm, okay? We already have like 1 to 3 out there, but there's that potential for snowfall, okay? So, get ready, East Coast. Just get ready for this. Just get ready for this, people. This is where things are going to happen, okay? Nantucket's under a winter storm warning, but this is extreme, okay? This is where we're going to go. These areas, okay? This is where we're going to go. So the snow will move in tonight, okay? Along Hartford, okay? This is where the heavy snow, it just begins. Look at the snowfall. Wow, boy. Look at the snowfall. Oh my God. 7.3 inches of snowfall. No ice, but look at the wave height, okay? That is extreme, okay? Look at the wave height. Look at this. It's not letting me. Look at the wave height it is. Almost 20 plus feet off the coast, okay? That's crazy. Let's go to the full picture. Okay, wave height. Let's go. That's today, okay? The wave height on Saturday. Look at this. Look at this. The wave height is going to be upwards to 20 feet storm surge. That's insane, bro. That is just insane, okay? This storm is going to be historic and life-threatening. This is a life-threatening nor'easter. It's coming. This is a blockbuster winter storm. If this storm was further west, we could have seen over a foot of snow. But the storm is likely not to hit us, so get ready, Plymouth, Massachusetts. Get ready, Boston. You guys are in for a heck of a storm this weekend. So, people and living in those areas need to prepare today. Today. You need to prepare today, okay, guys. This storm is no joke at all. Alright, the GFS model shows it to become a 982 at 12 a.m. Saturday morning. I mean 8 p.m. So it's going to become a 977 millibar low pressure. There's that potential for some heavy snow bands here. We're going to check out the snow depth change. Okay. Look how much snow. Look how much snow the storm's producing. Okay. There's that 24 inches snow per hour. Okay. Some areas, let's go to check out the AccuWeather forecast app now here. This is where things are likely to be chucked. Okay. Look at this. Look how bad this is. Blizzard could be one of the biggest snowstorms that ever hit Boston history. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. OMG, bro. Look at this crap, dude. This is just insane, bro. Oh my God. OMG. Wow, man. Wow. If this is the storm, okay?
One boundary that's stalled.
There's that Arctic air. Watch as winds happen.
That would be our first threat last week. This would be our second threat Friday and the Saturday. The south, it's coming in from the southeast.
Look at this. There's that 24 to 36 inches. Look at that reading right there. Look at that reading right there. Come on. That's insane, man. That right there catches me, man. What the freak? Wow. Wow. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God, bro. I don't know, but that right there, boys, that is the freaking jackpot. Oh my God. Sorry for sending like that, but oh my gosh, guys, I am so crazy. Look at the power outage risk. You see that tilted area here? White snow advances, okay, for Boston. All right, blizzard is likely, okay. This storm is no joke at all. This could be one of the all-time biggest blizzard in Boston's history. That's crazy, y'all. This storm is just mind-boggling, okay? This is one of the mind-boggling. This is no insanity storm. This is a beast, okay? This storm is a beast. Look at it here. You can see on the live now, okay? This is this beast storm, okay? There it goes. Look at that. Boston right there. Look at that. Boy, it's going to be snowing for hours on end. 2 to 4 inches per hour on this storm. 2 to 4 inches per hour on this storm. Snow could be blowing at wind gusts up to 85 plus miles per hour in this storm. This is no joke, people. If you live in Boston, in this area right here, people, be on the lookout for the heaviest snow of your entire life. Okay, this is no joke. Look at that, boy. That's the jackpot right there. Wow, man. This is, I thought 2020 was historic. Boy, we're gonna get it. We're wrong. 2022 is also historic. Yeah. This storm is just crazy. I might get sponsors coming soon in the videos, but right now, this is where people are saying this storm is we're gonna check out the Weather Channel here on snowfall amounts as well, okay? This storm, we could see heavy snow here in Fayette. But if we go to Plymouth, Massachusetts, or Boston, Massachusetts, this is the forecast for, look at this. Snow and heavy wind at times, a foot or more possible. Oh my God. Oh my God. Oh my God. Wow. That's just crazy, people. Wow, man. Make sure you guys like, subscribe to Wildest Weather on Earth, people. This is definitely going to be the wildest weather. Not wild, wildest weather. This is definitely going to be some wild weather to talk about. This is going to be incredibly wild. You got that right, people. This is going to be one of the most wildest things you ever seen in your life. Okay? A foot or more. That's insanity. That's just insanity. Look at this. We have our blizzard warnings here. Look at this. 18 to 24 inches of snow. Boy, it's going to be mad. It's going to be... Let's go to Plymouth, okay? Plymouth. I cannot spell it. Plymouth. But boy, Plymouth, Maine. This is where you guys are going to see it. Insane. Plymouth, Maine. Oh my God. Oh my God. What? There's no forecast? What the? God, it's not working. Plymouth, Maine. That's all right. No, it's not. No, it's not. You guys are getting snow. I can tell you that right now. Plymouth, Maine, U.S. Let's see if the forecast shows about right. That is just absolutely inaccurate. Okay, that is not what you want to see, okay? That's not what you want to see, okay? That ain't part of the forecast. But this is the... Oh, no, people. No. Alright, here's that radar once again. Look at the snowfall, okay? Look at the snow. That's that storm right there. I'll leave that there. I don't want that in my video, okay? Chapter 20. Okay, we don't want that, okay? That's a wave height of the storm, okay? Because we're going to go to Pivotal. We're going to go Blockbuster Blizzard, and we're going to read some of the headlines, okay? Boston. Massachusetts, okay? This is probably all over the noise, okay? Here we go. This is one of the news headlines, okay? This is one of the news headlines. Okay, this is what I'm saying. This is potentially historic, okay? Blockbuster historic. It's all on the table. Okay, look at this. Look at the forecast, okay? This is...
all of the emphasis, and it should be, is landing for tomorrow, looking at a preparation day for the end of the week. We have mostly cloudy skies to go away into.
Look at this snowfall, guys.
18 inches. I know it's still a pretty wide range, but around the Boston area, we'll have the blowing and drifting snow right through the North Shore up into the Merrimack
Insane,
Valley.
okay?
Expecting banding to really play a scenario out.
Blizzard warnings in effect, okay? Snow could be... Blizzard warnings for potential historic storm that is likely to bring more than 2 feet of snow. That is one of the headlines on this storm, okay? We're going to check out some other... There's that bombogenesis effect. Look at that here. bombogenesis is happening. It's happening. It's happening. It's happening. All right. This was a couple hours ago, but we want to know the latest information. So, if the name of the storm is Winter Storm Can or whatever it is, the storm is going to be historic. I'm not going to name the storm because it's too big of a thing for that. So, I'm already here at 20 minutes in my video. This video is going to end with this news headline. Wow.